Hey, is that Jenga you playing? Shh, it's my turn. Hey, who's that? Oh, it's just the Redbird. The Redbird? I thought we captured it. Actually, now that I think about it, he looks a bit different. Hey, it's still my turn. This big guy's strong. It's just more life now. This is nothing but a big joke. I'll give it a few years until your gaming company forgets about you. Incoming!
Mikey, who's that?
G'day, mate. I'm your friend. Can you help me out? It's a slingshot that time! What the heck, man? This guy